to one and all present here. I, Falguni Goyal from class 9B, stand before you to give a piece of information on Australian Open 2024. The Australian Open is one of the fourth Grand Slam tennis tournament held annually in Melbourne, Australia. It features top players around the world competing on the hard courts for one of the sport's most prestigious titles. Jannik Sinner defeated Daniil Medvedev in the finals by 3-6 to 3-6 to 6-4, 6-4 to 6-3 to win men's single tennis title at the 2024 Australian Open. It was his first major single titles. Defending champion Ariana Sabalenka defeated Zarek Kinran in the final by 6-3 to 6-2 to win the women's single tennis title at the 2024 Australian Open and second major single title overall. Sabalenka did not lose at a set during the tournament